Hello everybody! Yes, I'm coming to you alone from my secret lair today because I'm going to share a little bit of what Ed's Christmas gift is for this year, or at least one of them. He knows what it is, but I vowed to not let him get involved in any of it so I can give it to him as a gift. A little bit of history. My family was the one that grew up with the camcorder going on all of our vacations, multiple videotapes. For those of you that don't know what a videotape was back in the day, there you go, it's these. And when you have as many home videos as my family did from our vacations, they take up a lot of space in the house. And gotta give Ed credit for all the moves that we've done together. He packed up and boxed up all of those tapes to move them with us. So this year, I've decided to transfer those all to digital. And there's a whole bunch of services out there that we just found were too expensive, and we had the flexibility to do it here at home. And in doing so, we found a bunch of fun gems for my family's vacations. I'll leave a link to the product and software combination that we were using available on Amazon in the description down below. Just keep in mind, you do need to have a VCR, and we were lucky that our neighbor still had one. So join us as we take a trip down memory lane today to 1992 Walt Disney World, to EPCOT to ride the original version of Journey into Imagination. For those of you that remember what this is, it will bring back memories. And for those of you that remember these videotapes, audio and video quality is not what we're capturing today, so my apologies ahead of time for that, but it's going to bring back memories. Enjoy. And remember, if you love seeing these glimpses into my family's vacation past, be sure to give this video a giant thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified every time we find something fun in home videos. And as always, take the link to this video and share it with someone who might love Walt Disney World from the 1990s.
Is at the heart of all creation, right at the start of everything that's new. What did a spark like something? Oh, hello there. So glad you come along. I am the Dreamfinder. Musical notes. What delightful melodies those will make. I love these flights of fancy, searching the universe for sounds, colors, ideas, anything that sparks the imagination. A sunbeam! That's a good one. Oh! Everything I collect can inspire amazing and marvelous new ideas. And you never know what kind of figment you may come up with. Oh, here's my favorite. Two tiny wings, eyes big and yellow, horns of a steer, but a lovable fellow. From head to tail, he's royal purple pigment, and there, voila! You've got a figment.
Dreamfinder, I'm just great.
Not quite.
Huh?
I'll throw in a dash of childhood. Look, Figment, some new friends have joined us.
Can they imagine too?
Of course, many times we're stumbling in the dark, and then you blink. What a spark!
How are we going to use lightning?
We can combine it with ghostly shivers on a stormy night and turn them into a tale of fright.
Oh, look, a rainbow. I'll use that to paint with.
Now you've got it.
Wow. Numbers, letters, papers for writing, costumes, makeup, stages for lighting. There's no louder.
What about science?
Science? We'll need electron beams and crystal prisms, gyroscopes and magnets and holy grail. Why?
The idea bag is full.
Idiots? Let's start making those things.
No, wait. First, we must store these ideas with the others in the dream port.
Are we almost there?
The dream port is never far away when you use your imagination.
Come on, everybody, let's go.